and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. We all love a one-pot recipe that is easy but yet delicious. On today's recipe, I'm going to share with you how I make my jambalaya, guys. Let me tell you, this recipe is to die for. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. We're going to start by chopping out bell pepper. Dice your onion. Dice your celery. Mince your garlic. After chopping your veggies, go ahead and chop your sausage. Now prepare your chicken by chopping them into bite-sized pieces. Here are the size that I had cut them into. Now we are going to season our chicken with some creole seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now give that a mix. This is how my chicken is looking. Make sure your chicken is well seasoned. Now for our shrimp, we are going to use the same seasoning. Add your garlic powder, add your onion powder, garlic powder, creole seasoning, and paprika. Give that a mix. Over a medium heat in a large pot, add your olive oil. After your oil is nice and hot, go ahead and add your chicken. And we're just going to cook them for a few minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and remove your chicken and place them on a platter. Next, cook your sausage. And we're just going to cook them until they have a nice golden color. After your sausage are done, go ahead and place them on a platter. Now cook your shrimp for just about a minute. After a minute, go ahead and remove your shrimp and place them into a bowl. Add your veggies. Now saute until they are nice and soft, so about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add your garlic. After a minute, add your tomato paste. Cook for another minute. Add your tomato sauce. Add your chicken and sausage back into the pot. Give it a stir. After letting it cook for a couple of minutes, this is how it's looking. Now add your chicken broth. Now give it a stir and allow this to come to a boil. Now that it is boiling, go in and make sure you taste it to see if it needs any additional seasoning, because we want this dish to be flavorful. It is good, but it is lacking a little bit of that chicken flavor. So I am going in with half of chicken bouillon. Add a little bit of creole seasoning. I'm gonna add some onion powder, garlic powder. Now give it another taste to make sure this is flavorful, okay guys? We all love a good jambalaya, but it has to taste good. This is perfect. Now it is ready for the rice. Give that a stir. Now allow this to come to a boil before placing on your lid. Now that it is boiling, go ahead and place your lid. After placing your lid, this is still over medium heat. Go ahead and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, check to see if the water is fully evaporate. And once it is fully evaporate, go ahead and turn the heat down to low and continue cooking your rice for the remainder of the 20 minutes. This is how it's looking the last 5 minutes. Go ahead and add your shrimp. Go ahead and cover it up. And this should take us to the end of this recipe, guys. Hello guys, so my jambalaya is ready. Take a look, and seriously, I cannot wait to dig in because that's how delicious this recipe is. Guys, make sure that the water is flavorful before adding in the rice. Will make a huge difference, guys, and I cannot wait to enjoy this dish. That is so good. I don't even need to say anything else. This is the best jambalaya I've ever made. Give it a try. Come back and let me know how you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for cooking with me today.